Hi, my name's Jane Kahn. I'm the founder of Jane Around the World. I started Jane Around the World when I was 12. The Lord planned it. One day we went out to the streets and friends asked us, was like, hey, during this freeze, like, we want to go and serve, and actually gave care packages with like wipes and socks and like just warm items because it was during the freeze. Blankets and socks and just warm things because it was very cold, and we were trying to get them into a safe place, a safe environment during this freeze. But after seeing the population of homeless or less fortunate people in this world, I was like, I can do more.
My name is Becky Kahn, and my organization is Jane Around the World. Well, I didn't create it. My daughter did. It was her dream and our work. My gosh.
This time I sat on the couch with my parents and I was like, I want to pack bags. This is what I want to do for this community.
Had I known that it was going to turn into everything that it is, I may have ran the other way.
Come along and let me show you. This is going to be one of the rooms of Egypt that everybody will be hanging out with. For the Jane Around the World in 80 days, I'm really looking forward to raising funds for a boys' home, but also just seeing people wanting to serve and come out and be the hands and feet of Christ, but also just see the joy in people's face of like what it is to have fun, but also what to serve, how to serve too. This one over here will be Cuba.
Whenever this first started, it was a cool idea, right? It was a cool idea to serve those that are underserved. It was a cool idea to just be the hands and feet of Jesus. But what he has done with our yes has blown me away. To go from just serving in the streets and providing a little bit of hope to somebody that feels desperate, to fostering in our home, to then opening up a transformational living facility where we truly see transformation happen in the lives of young women and soon to be young men. To ask me like what I think about it is, I think it's incredible. I think it's supernatural. I think that it's life-changing and transforming, and it's only the beginning.